social media. More alarming, some media outlets publish the same things that are true without checking facts.
There is so much information these days to process, and note-taking has become my tool to sort this information that I get. I love taking physical notes. Digital notes never really had the same feeling for me, but in terms of convenience, I've always had problems deciding what to use. Now I use these things, field notes. This is called a field note, and it's what I've been using for the last 2 months every single day. And I use it mainly for just organizing my days and my to-do list for that day, but so far, it's the best everyday carry notebook that I have ever used. For the last couple of months, I've had a hard time kind of organizing and using notes. Organization is a big part of being productive, and being productive is a big part of success in any field. And I've found that for me, inputting information that would come into my brain, ideas or notes, was becoming incredibly hard to do digitally. So I wanted something more physical, something that I used to use all the time, which were notebooks. So note-taking really comes in just 2 big steps: input and output. Inputting is just how you record your information, and outputting is how you retrieve the information that you've recorded. And one thing that handwritten notes are really good for is inputting information. I love writing with a pen and a piece of paper. It's something that I've been doing since I was a child, and something I continue to do today. So I just woke up and it's time to start a new notebook. First thing in the morning is when I try to record everything that I need to do for that day, things I want to get accomplished, new goals, things that I've learned. I just try and update them here constantly in this note. So today, I just woke up, so I want to plan out my morning and then probably my afternoon. Kind of like the work day, you know, things I want to get done. I always was taught this rule where it's very rare to be able to accomplish something big every single day, and that shouldn't be your goal. Your goal should be to accomplish little things that get you to that ultimate dream. So I always write little things in this notebook. I don't really write huge, big ideas or dreams or goals. This is to keep progress and to be organized. And it's something I want to come back to in the future. If I have a reference or an idea that I jotted down that I remembered, I just go back to this notebook. And the cool thing about having just smaller memo books is that you're always on to that new thing, and then by the time you're done with your second or third, you realize how much progress you've made throughout the year or the months. That's a really important part of journaling. I've used a lot of different notebooks before, big ones, medium-sized ones, other small ones, but this has been the only notebook that has stuck with me, at least for my daily journaling and to-do notes type of stuff. I love taking handwritten notes. I think I've told you that before. Digital notes are fantastic, but they just don't feel the same. And when it comes to journaling and tracking your progress, I think one of the ways to do that is just to make it really easy on you. Make it something that fits your style, your preferences. And for me, handwritten notes are the way to go. I think at the end of the day, a lot of people are going to be asking themselves why they should be spending $5 a month on notebooks just to journal and write down your thoughts and stuff. But the most important thing about this whole process is building in a routine to organize yourself. And that's kind of the reason why I take notes. It's because it's fun to do, it's engaging, and it's something that I want for every aspect of my life. And so, therefore, I take notes in order to do that. And I think for that peace of mind, for that organization, $5 every month and a half is really not that bad of a price. And I really recommend this as kind of a starting point to any type of note-taking that you would take, just because of how fun and engaging it is. And the physical feeling of pulling out a notebook every morning and writing into it, documenting your thoughts and what you want to do to succeed, is just invaluable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys again soon. Peace out.